my channel, Toasted Blonde. I'm Melanie and I like makeup. I'm not a makeup artist or a collector. I'm an enthusiast, but I'm just really a normal person who likes makeup. I wear it every day. I've been wearing it since I was 13. I'm 48, so wow, that's a long time. So welcome to my channel. Subscribe right now if that interests you. And oh, sometimes I swear in my videos, little things just pop out of my mouth. So if that doesn't interest you, do not subscribe and go away. All right, let's get started. I am so fucking excited, oops, it happens, to tell you about head candy. I mean, I have been searching for something because I've been doing my hair myself and like made it bleach blonde and into blue and all kinds of colors, and my hair just got fried. And I tried the Olaplex. And you know, it did okay. It was expensive, but then my sister-in-law recommended I try out head candy. And I can't tell you how much I love them. What a difference it's made. If you can see my hair, this is head candy. This is what did it. It is shiny and not breaking. Like I can bend my hair and it doesn't break. It doesn't look brittle. And it's all because I found head candy about 6 months ago. I was really slow at first, not really trusting it and just using it sparingly. But now I'm like all into the products, and every day my hair is shinier and healthier. And I thought, what the hell? Time to share it with you. Okay, it's time to talk about the products because these saved my hair. Now to you, this hair may not look like glamorous or shiny or healthy, but for me, for what I've been through, it is friggin' amazing, okay? So it's finally time to introduce you to what I've been talking about. So what I did was I bought the whole package of this stuff. It's called Squad Goals, and I bought all 4 of them. I'm trying to get them in my hands to show you. Here they are: shampoo, a conditioner, a spray, and then an anti-frizz. And all 4 of these products, I think they're about 60. For these exact ones, I think they're like $64 right now. And then you can get the bigger size, and it was like 103. I'm not really exactly sure. Go to their website. I'll link it down below. Maybe I'll get points. I don't even know if I offer these to share these with you. Anyway, so first I used these 2 products for a long time, and I was showing great results. But I wanted to wash my hair even more because every time I washed them, my hair felt better. So then I reached out to this thing, and it's called the Third Wheel. And I've actually heard it called Jesus Juice. And I'm like, oh, I don't know, Lottie, why they're calling it Jesus Juice. I have no idea, except that it's freaking awesome. So what you do is it's just like it's a leave-in like spray. It's supposed to be a heat protector before you blow dry your hair. So at first I didn't use it because like I don't blow dry my hair every day. But then I was like, you know, I'm looking at the room and I'm showered, I'm clean, and I'm not showering again for a couple days. Well, I'm showering, but I'm not washing my hair with it again for a couple days. Or I'm not showering, I don't know. Sometimes, 2020 and 2021 have been rough, okay? I just admit it. Sometimes I'm just gross. Fucking 2020. Anyhow, this Jesus Juice is freaking amazing. So I go in the bathroom and I look at my hair and I say, see, like, look. I say, that looks a little dry to me. And I go, whoo, whoo. And then I take my brush, which I don't have here, and I brush it through. And then it doesn't look dry anymore. And sometimes I've been known to comb my whole hair over and look for dry spots to add extra aminokeratin to. Let's talk about the aminokeratin for a while. So I looked into this. I am no friggin' hair expert, but your hair apparently needs amino acids and proteins to make it luxurious and beautiful. And this product seems to deliver exactly the right amount of both to make my hair healthy. You probably don't believe me, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to insert pictures of recent pictures of after I got it this blonde. Oh my, there's me with a giant margarita looking oh so pleased with flat hair. And, you know, she did it and it looked good. I was like so friggin' happy. I've been blonde for the first time, but I was like, damn, my hair is fried. Came home, washed it, conditioned it, started spraying this stuff in and combing it through it. My hair just got healthier and healthier. And here it is about like a month later, and like, I love my hair. It's blonde and healthy. I mean, what do you want? You want healthy hair? You want blonde hair? You want red hair? You want purple hair? I don't know what color your hair you want, but I do know that for me, for my blonde hair, bleached, blonde, damaged hair, this shit worked. Then, wait, so I've been using this stuff like crazy. Then, oops, most recently I was like, I got one more bottle. I wonder what I should do with it. I don't do my hair that often, and you know what, honestly, I don't really give a shit about frizzy flyaways. If your hair is damaged and you've got all these problems in your life, thank you 2021, and 2020 was a sucky year, sorry. Anyway, this shit is amazing. Look, so I'm gonna put it in my hand, and I just want you to see. So this is like a leave-in lotion to get rid of frizziness, but you know what? It's just like soft. And I've been putting it in the ends of my hair and in places where, you know, to like, you know, make my hair look perfect. And it fucking works. These products, like, take my hair from dry, damaged, like, scared to touch my hair or brush my hair because more of it was going to just break off, to I'm not afraid to brush my hair anymore. I'm not afraid to run my hands through it. I am just friggin' happy. So now it's time for my final thoughts. My final thought is this. I had really dry, damaged hair, and this shit fixed it. And continues to make my hair feel good. I've used up my initial purchase of the small bottles. I'm going to go ahead and buy the big giant bottles and enjoy it again until maybe you guys tell me something that's even better, or I find something that's even better. But for now, I mean, I don't know how, well, I don't think I would have so much hair if I hadn't found these back like last May. Anyway, thank you for watching Toasted Blonde, and I'm Melanie, and subscribe to my channel if you get a chance, because you know what? We all could use some subscribers to our lives. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!